Traditionally, healthcare professionals have relied on direct pressure and compression techniques to halt bleeding. However, these methods may not always be effective, especially in cases of severe bleeding or hard to reach areas. WoundClot presents an alternative approach to overcome these limitations. One of the key differentiators with WoundClot is its ability to stop bleeding without the need for external pressure. The unique gel matrix created by WoundClot promotes clot formations and enhances the natural coagulation process, effectively sealing the wound. This is particularly advantageous in scenarios where direct pressure application may be challenging, such as deep wounds, irregular surfaces, or internal bleeding. WoundClot's no pressure required method of stopping bleeding presents a groundbreaking advancement in wound care. With its remarkable ability to rapidly control bleeding in diverse wound types, WoundClot has the potential to revolutionize emergency medicine, surgical procedures, and trauma care. As healthcare professionals continue to embrace this cutting-edge technology, we can anticipate a future where uncontrolled bleeding becomes a thing of the past, ultimately saving lives and improving patient care on a global scale.